Hi and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on Zomedica. Ticker is ZOM. So I covered this stock beginning of this year, and earlier this year it was a very hot stock, most talked about stock. We can see that it was trading around 0.119 and it even got to a high of 291. I did lose some money on this stock because I didn't sell it when it reached at 250. My original target was at least $5. Well, months later, we are only trading at 0.43. It's not even $1 yet. You can see my support line that I had drew here. This was back in May. That's when I got out. Took a small loss on this. And now we are approaching another strong support at 0.42. If this support line cannot hold, it can get very ugly. So the reason why back earlier this year it was so hyped up was because the company had announced they were going to release their Truforma product. So what happened in this case was that once the news came out, a lot of people started to sell their shares. Have you heard of the saying, buy the rumor, sell the news? Well, that's exactly what happened here. I held on to my shares hoping that there would be a reversal, but it didn't, and it just kept dropping. So I decided to just sell all my shares. And let's just take a look at some recent news. Says Zomedica Q3 net loss stays steady compared with the year ago quarter. So that's pretty decent news. The company generated $22,000 in revenue during the 3 months ended September 30th, explaining that sales of its Truforma diagnostic products for dogs and cats still were limited since their commercial introduction in March. So this is when a lot of people sold off their stocks, was when Truforma came out. It had no sales during the year ago period. So as you can see here, they are still a very young company. They just came out with the Truforma product. So you guys gotta give it some time for them to generate more sales. But just be very cautious when you're buying more shares because it can go down even more. And we take a look at other news here. Zomedica's CEO, who was Robin Cohen, retired of the company on October 31st. So a lot of people were expecting the CEO to turn things around, but now that he has stepped down and Larry Heaton took his place, we're going to have to see where he takes the company in the near future. But right now, they are not generating enough revenue. So this company has a lot of work. They just came out with Truforma. So all we can do is just give it some time. If it does fall to 0.119 or around this range, I will most likely get in. But right now I am staying out just because there is more downside that I see for this company. But if you have high convictions of this stock, all we can do is stay patient. Some of these penny stocks will take some time before getting back to its all-time high or higher. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you're currently holding on to Zomedica, what you think of it, or if you're planning to buy this dip here.